Want to play Doom Dark Ages for free? There's some real opportunities you might not know about to get this game at no cost. Let me show you exactly how. Make sure to hit that like and sub if this video helps. Step 1. Keep an eye out for free promotions. Sometimes game developers offer exclusive free promotions. Platforms like Steam or Epic Games Store often have limited time offers, so you'll want to keep an eye on their deals section. Doom Dark Ages could pop up as a free game during special sales or events. Step 2. Search trusted free game platforms. Sites like GOG, itch.io, or GameJolt occasionally feature games that can be downloaded for free. While it's not guaranteed, they regularly have indie game giveaways, and you might catch Doom Dark Ages if it's offered during one of their promotional events. Step 3. Play the demo version for free. Many games, including Doom Dark Ages, often have free demo versions available for download. While it's not the full game, these demos allow you to experience the core gameplay without paying a dime. It's a great way to see if you like the game before making a purchase. If this is helping so far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips on how to get great games for free. Step 4. Use free trial services. Game subscription services like Xbox Game Pass or PlayStation Now occasionally offer free trials that let you play tons of games, including Doom Dark Ages. So if you're quick, you might be able to play the game during one of those trial periods without spending any. Step 5. Watch for community giveaways. Another great way is to stay connected to the Doom Dark Ages community. Developers or players may host giveaways on social media platforms like Twitter, Reddit, or Discord, where you can win free copies of the game. There are a lot of opportunities to play Doom Dark Ages for free if you know where to look. Watch for promotions, check out demos, or even join a giveaway. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips on how to get games for free, and comment for any other how-to you might need.